Welcome to NZ Electronics Repair. If your MacBook is not turning on or not receiving power, there can be a lot of issues. It can be related to your charging port, it can be related to your battery, and if you have changed your charging port and battery but your MacBook is still not turning on, then it can be an issue with the logic board as well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can replace that logic board on a MacBook A1990. First, you have to remove these 6 P5 screws using a P5 screwdriver. After that, you have to grab a suction cup and pipes like this. Be careful, there are locks in this and this position. Then you have to push it outside like this. So first you will need to disconnect the battery. So this is the connector for the battery. You have to pull it like this, and then you have to disconnect this using a T5 screwdriver and gently pull it up for like around 45 degrees so that it doesn't touch it. So after disconnecting the battery, for removing the logic board, the point is that you have to unscrew these all screws which are shown with this circular marks. It belongs to the logic board, and you have to also disconnect all the cables and the connectors which are connected to it, including the speakers, the trackpad. Battery is already disconnected. This is for the speaker, and this is for the fan. This is for the charging ports and touch bar, and this display cable as well. So after removing all of these, you can just lift the logic board gently. So if you're looking for a logic board replacement, you can come to NZ Electronics Repair, or you can call us at 0800 585 222 for a free quote, and we can fix your MacBook in just 30 minutes.